Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Java Obsession eyeshadow palette to line your eyes. One thing that I've discovered about my eyes is that they are slightly hooded, and so if I use a really bold eyeliner or go really wide with my eyeliner, it actually makes my eyes look really small and squinty. And so I usually leave my eyeliner very subtle. And I'm actually going to be using this brush. I'm going to be using Set and Refresh Facial Mist, and obviously that eyeshadow palette for this simple eyeliner look. So I'm going to go ahead and first thing you're going to want to do is wet down your brush with our Set and Refresh Facial Mist. And this just kind of helps almost give you like a liquid line. And then I'm going to go ahead and press this into my powder. Just kind of coat the brush while centering it on the end of the brush. All right, so now I'm gonna go in, and one thing that I do with my eyeliner is I make sure and stay really, really close to my lash line. And I'm gonna show you how I do that here. So I actually like to pull my lid a little bit, not too much because you don't wanna cause wrinkling. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just line very lightly right down next to my lash line. And this just kind of gives me just a very subtle line. I'm gonna show you how that looks. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and line the bottom. Now the bottom I do a little bit differently. I actually do that on the water line, which I'll show you what that is here in a second. So again, applying that to my brush. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm actually gonna pop that right on top of the lower lash line. So I'm gonna point my brush this way and apply just like that. Like right on top of those lashes down there. And as you can see, that's just a very subtle line. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing on the other side. All right, and there you have it. You're all set, and you're not using toxic eyeliner right next to one of the most delicate places of your face. Love this eyeshadow palette, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.